And I can feel the needle break up inside of my eyes. They try to tell me I'm inside, make me that wise, so come and check me out. This monster that you made of me, I feel like dying, erasing all of these memories. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private lies at night. I need you to try to save my life before I get outside. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private lies at night. I need you to try to save my life before I get insane. Oh, we're coming for you. Pray for your door. 5, 6, suck on my dick. Brokencyde will never die. 1, 2, we're coming for you. Pray for your door. 5, 6, suck on my dick. Brokencyde will never die. 7 days, my schizophrenia breaks. My brain cavity waves, distorted, decayed. These faces of insane originated this pain and invented these abandoned ways to break me. Intoxicated, I'm faded inside my dreams. Motivated, I'm defeating these haters and everything. It's the only thing that keeps me alive, that keeps me away from all of your motherfucking lies. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private lies at night. I need you to try to save my life before I get outside. I'm trapped inside this cage tonight. Your touch on my private lies at night. I need you to try to save my life before I get insane. Oh, dude, we're coming for you. Pray for your door. 5, 6, suck on my dick. Brokencyde will never die. 1, 2, we're coming for you. Pray for